What is going on, guys? Chris here from Adamantium Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you how to keep a consistent Instagram feed. Honestly, one of the most satisfying things when scrolling through Instagram or when searching through Instagram is finding an Instagram page where all the photos they post just look great together. Each photo matches with the other and they all complement each other. The reason for that is how the pictures look and how each picture kind of matches with the other ones, so that when one scrolls through the feed, it kind of creates a collage, or all the pictures in a way blend in together. Honestly, it screams professional. Now, this is how I do it. Now, if you look through my Instagram at Adamantium, you should follow it if you're not following it already. All my pictures follow this black and white with a warm tone to it. Basically what I've done is I've created a preset in Lightroom that allows me to make any picture match this look. And as you can tell, if you scroll through my Instagram, all of them match that look. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now, first things what you're going to want to do is create a preset that you like, that you want to follow in Lightroom. I have a few presets in my store. Link will be in the description if you want to check them out, and if you want to use the exact same one I do. I call it the Onyx preset, and I put it on all my images. Now, before we get into that, I just want to mention the fact that you don't really need a preset. You can do this without presets. You can do this just by photographing in very similar environments. Let's say you like a very plain look, all white. You don't really need a preset for that. If you have locations, or if you know locations that follow that all white look, then your pictures will look all the same in your feed. If you have an article of clothing or a hairstyle, or actually something that my sister's done is her hairstyle. She had pink hair for the past few months, and so if you look through her Instagram, although the pictures in her feed don't really match in terms of the way they were edited, they all have her pink hair in it, and that consistency makes it look really professional and really cool to the eye. So it doesn't have to be through a preset. I just use presets because I'm always in different environments and I want my pictures to look the same regardless. Now I'm going to show you an example of this in Lightroom. And basically all you have to do is edit a picture the way you want all of your pictures to look, and then save it as a preset. As you can see, this picture already has my Onyx preset. And if I tap and hold, it'll disappear and you'll see how it originally looked. So I'm going to reset all adjustments so that you can see the blank image. This was actually taken with my phone right here, the iPhone 8 Plus. It's a fantastic camera. So basically what you want to do is edit the picture any way you like. So you may want a cooler picture, so you cool down the temperature a little bit while you up the saturation. I don't know, you can do whatever you want. But then once you make the adjustment, so let's say I want to edit this by bringing up I want my pictures to be all quite bright. So you bring up the brightness, I don't know, and you cool it down a little bit. I don't know, just a random look like that. Then what you do is you go to the top right and then you click on create preset. And then you can name it whatever you want. You can call it bright, for example. And done, the preset's been created. Now you can take any picture you want. Let's say I'll try this picture. You go to presets and you find your bright preset. And there you go. This doesn't look great because I did a random color exposure. I just boosted the exposure a lot and it's a bit too bright in my opinion. But if you apply this to all your pictures, they will all flow beautifully on your Instagram feed. So yeah, so this is very simple, and Lightroom is a free app. In my opinion, it's the only app on your phone that really edits pictures really well. I've tried Visco, I've tried Snapseed, I've tried many different mobile photo editing apps, and Lightroom is the best in my opinion. And being able to use presets just makes it so clean and so organized. All I do is I take a picture I like, slap on my Onyx preset, upload it to Instagram just like that. And obviously the preset may not work for all pictures, but what you can do is once you apply the preset, what you can do is make any minor adjustments you need to perfect it and make it match with the others. And to wrap this all up, I'm going to recommend an app called UNUM, which is an app that allows you to register your Instagram account so you can see your feed, and then you can start placing pictures that you've already taken or have in your gallery into that feed and see how your pictures will migrate with the other pictures, if that makes sense. I'll show you a little screen recording here of me and mine, and it just allows you to plan ahead and test to see whether your pictures will match your feed. It'd be really great if the app allowed you to upload it in a scheduled manner straight from the app, but not yet. I think think that would be something that would make it really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it for it, guys. This was just a quick video and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please smash that like button. It really helps me a lot. Please subscribe if you found this interesting and if you want more content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, this is setup update 3.5 or 150 actually. I'm going to zoom out for you a little bit. This is kind of what it looks like. Got my blue light right here shining up against the wall, as you can see. And then I put my green light up against the shoe rack to kind of create this area with a two-tone look. I'm not quite in the middle of it. Maybe I should go right here. And then, as you can see in the back, I have my display, my monitor I use to edit, and on that monitor I have blue and green. I kind of like this color scheme. It's pretty friendly, yet it looks professional. So I'll probably keep it up. And if you guys have any recommendations on videos you guys want me to do, anything you guys want me to teach you, anything photo and video related, whether it's mobile or professional, let me know in the comments below and I will make sure to do it. You see I'm rocking the Jordan shirt right there. You know, Last Dance vibes right here. Great TV show. Anyone arguing, Michael Jordan, in my opinion, is still the GOAT. Sorry. I like LeBron, love Kobe, rest in peace, but Michael changed the game, you know? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.